y'all, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do a little rant about haters, and not just any kind of haters, but the kind of haters you meet when you become a writer, because there are very specific types of writer haters. I don't know why there's so many, but there are. And hang on until the end, because we're going to tell you the hardest hater to overcome and give you a couple tips on how to do it. So first, we want to invite you, if you like this video and you love our content, please go ahead and subscribe, click the notification bell so you never miss a Friday upload. So let's get into it. The first hater is the "you're writing for free on Wattpad, whoop-de-doo" hater. And this is my response to you, Wattpad hater. Wattpad is where many writers get their start. It's where you can gain a fan base. It's where you can get beta readers. Easy to get beta readers. And it's a pretty forgiving audience. You can go in and edit pretty easily. You can fix mistakes. They'll point them out. Usually pretty nice.
This hater is so different. Like, we did a long time ago when we first started the channel, we did one about haters specifically on Wattpad. This is usually somebody that doesn't even know really what Wattpad is, or they live in the land of it's just all fan fiction. This person is so frustrating. The next hater is the publishing world is too saturated. You'll never make it. But this is what you got to remember. You'll never make it in any career, even writing, if you don't try. So what?
You'll never make it at Target if you don't try.
Why not put your all in it and see what comes of it if this is your dream? Don't let other people dictate what your dream should be and stop you with things like it's too saturated. Writers don't make enough money. Who cares? If this is what you're all about, I'm telling you to go and do it.
If you write the right story, someone's going to want to publish it. So get out there and do it. How do you think people get things published? There are books coming out all the time, literally all the time. So somebody's publishing them.
How about those writers that are taking their publishing journey into their own hands and self-publishing? You're still a published writer, and you don't share any of the royalties with anyone else. They're all you, baby. Yeah. You pay for it. Yeah. You get all the money. Like, it's amazing. So there's so many avenues, whether you are writing on Wattpad or Vella or doing Kindle Unlimited and you're putting it all up there yourself, or if you are searching for an agent, there's avenues.
The next one is the "are you even any good" hater. I don't know. Why don't you stop being a dickhead and check out some of our writing, and then you can see for yourself. You can go look at it on Wattpad for free. You can also check it out for free on Kindle Unlimited, or you can buy it for $3.99 if you don't pay for Kindle Unlimited, or you could order it from Amazon for $14.99. There are plenty of ways you could check and see if our writing's any good. And you know what? Being any good is subjective. So you might not like it, but clearly somebody does. Lots of somebodies do. So if you don't like it, that's fine. You don't have to like it.
This jerk is also the same person that once your book gets published, they're like, "Can you give me a copy?"
Nope.
No. I'm not giving anybody a copy because I wrote it and it's my career and I should get paid for it. So if you'd like to read it, go down whatever avenue I have for you to go and read it, and make sure that I'm getting monetarily compensated for the hard work I've put in for years in becoming a writer. The next hater. This hater's personally my favorite hater. They are the "what do you even know about writing" hater. They're the hater that thinks you need some type of writing degree in order to be a good storyteller. This frustrates me to death. I never stepped foot in a college classroom. I'm a high school graduate, and it is a craft that I've spent countless hours learning and then refining and learning again. And I'm always moving and molding myself into something new. I do not need to go to school to become a writer. This is a creative career.
I did set foot in many college classrooms twice, and I don't use like any of that stuff in our writing. The only thing I use is the grammar and punctuation and all that. And honestly, I knew all that stuff before I went to college. I've always been a pain in the ass nitpicker about grammar. I learned how to write essays and how to teach in college. I didn't learn how to write creatively in college. I didn't even get to take one creative writing class. Not one. So I didn't do that either. So going to college and getting an English degree to write is not it either.
This, to me, is the most asinine hater because it just shows how ignorant they are about what it takes to write a book. If you're talented and you've got the drive and the hunger to learn the skill, you can be a writer.
This is my favorite that I see quite a bit. I'm so happy for you hater. This is the jealous hater. I'm in the same field as you hater, and I haven't made it to where you've made it. Are you salty? There's an easy solution for that one too. Just keep working your ass off like we have, and you might get there.
It's not an easy process. It takes a while.
It's not. You don't have to be happy for us. That's cool. You don't.
No.
You don't. I'm good. I'm good. You don't. Don't lie to my face and tell me that you are. I'm good. I'm not dumb. I know that you're not.
Well, it usually comes back around because these people are also very prone to gossiping. So the minute they say, oh, I'm really happy for you, then somebody else comes along and they're like, what is so-and-so's deal with you? And you're like, what do you mean? They just told me that they were really happy for me. Oh, no. They're talking about to everyone how you suck.
Oh, my gosh. Yes.
Oh, you're so... this is
so
also...
if you've talked...
I was going to say, the person that falls in this is not only sometimes a writer, but also your peers that didn't have the balls to go after something they really, really wanted. Mm-hmm. And I'm so happy for you. Like, you're not, and you're super jealous.
Even if it's not
because
writing.
I did it. Yeah. The last hater, and this is the hardest hater. This is the one that is gut-wrenching. This is the one that keeps you up at night. This is the person that can literally take your dreams of writing and crumple it up into a little ball and throw it right in the trash for you. And that is the Aunt Karen hater. This is a family.
We made it a funny title to try to lighten it up, but it does hurt.
It does. It's a family member that should be proud of you and encouraging you and just feeding into your creativity and giving you positive vibes on what you love to do. And they're telling you all the ways that this is going to go wrong and why you should give up and not waste your time on this and become a doctor.
Your family's supposed to be the people that you should be able to count on, right? But unfortunately, your family's not always.
I'm going to encourage you not to give up. I'm going to encourage you to find other people that support your dream and for you to work as hard as you possibly can to make it come true. And one day when you have a published book and people are flocking to read it, I want you to turn around and make Aunt Karen eat crow.
So, those are the 6 worst writer haters and the responses that you can give them. So, I might have gotten a little crude in there.
I think you did, but that's okay.
I did. Hopefully you can block that out.
I'm leaving it. Let it go. Willy-nilly. If you want to go read the books that the haters never got to us, that we wrote anyway and we love, go check us out on Wattpad, and you can read all of our books for free at Crystal and Felicity.
And as always, write what you love.